Hello friends, welcome to Csharp Space. Today in this video session we will discuss about how to increase your SQL Server development productivity with SQL Complete tool. So let's start. Here this is the site where you can download a SQL Complete delivered or dbForge SQL Complete tool for boost your productivity. This also provide a trial version for to checking the to try the features of the SQL Complete tool. And here you can see the different features that is provided by the SQL Complete, you can increase your coding speed with IntelliSense that is provided by SQL Complete, and you can get a quick info and overview for your database, beautify code and enhancement code qualities, and eliminate repeated codings at predefined snippets. You can use predefined snippets, and you can reuse your old codes, and data analysis, increase your performance with productivity enhancements. And this is the express edition with limited features to try the features of SQL Complete. And here the different features to uh, to dbForge SQL Complete, like boost your productivity, reuse code, improve code quality, and it's like a unified standards. You can write a code and then you can format your query most in readable formats. It's like a work safety, like easier, like when sometimes your SSMS is accidentally shut down, then you can access your sessions, like your previous queries, you can easily get it. uh, and look His next features is operate with data. You can select any records from your data, and then you can export that record in any formats like a CSV, JSON, and Excel files as per your requirements. And there are different features that is not available in SSMS. And this is the different formatting profiles. This provide a customized formatting profiles. You can choose any formatting profile in your tool. We can see this in all in SQL Server here. After uh, while we writing queries for this, like for example, this is the before formatting. You write any procedures, and this is before formatting, and also after use collapse formatting profiles, this query it changes like this. So this is the most readable format, and when you share your query or procedures with any of your colleges, then they can easily understand. And there are different profiles according to you, according to your need, so you can change it. The different styles for formatting. And there is a difference, like purchases and price details. So now we after you can download this dbForce. This will integrate with your Visual Studio or SSMS Studio. So I demonstrate the features about this SQL Complete with SSMS. So this is the demo database that contain multiple tables and procedures. So here's the number of tables, and here there are multiple store procedures functions. So now, like after installing the SQL Complete, this will added a new tab in your SSMS here, like different features like disable code completions, formatting, SQL formatters, and there are different execution history. So we can talk about all these features in step by step. I'm writing a SSF, then this is the select stop home command. So simply pressing tab, So this will auto write it here, and then we write like a table name is a tbl cells, like tbl underscore cells. Then this will display the IntelliSense for that matching tables with their column definitions and their data type also. So like I'm selecting this and press tab, so it's automatically added alias name also. Like I'm pressing F5, so this will display the related records. You can also import the record with different data format like a copy.as, csv, xml, html, jsons, like a copy columns, column name only is with comma. And here like a generate, you can generate the scripts like insert, insert and insert into tame data, where and or update commands. Like I'm choosing like this insert, so like click it, so this will create the insert command for that selected rows. And you can choose and you can also generate scripts for single columns only, so like selecting that columns and then generate a script and then click on this. So this will create a insert command, insert command for into the timetables for that selected columns only. And like I am writing like in DDL commands, DML commands, like insert. So this is the insert into, and then we writing like a columns name, sales invoice info. I am pressing a tab buttons. So tab buttons, this will create a insert statement for that particular table, TBL sales invoice. And when you hover your mouse on the table name, this will display all these columns and their data types for that table. And when you enter the records into these values, then this will also highlight that related columns. Like I'm enter once and like get it, then here it's payment type, like it's a cash. So cash, then this will highlighted that related columns. So this is the good features for you while entering the records. And like I'm also write update, so update, and then tables name like a customer, then press tab buttons. So this will create the update command for that customer table. So you can easily use their previous snips and auto completions to boost your productivity. And you can also choose your execution history by executing commands that you executed the query in the recent. So I click on this like Control Alt H, or simply selecting from this SQL Complete tab. So go to execution history. So here you can get your recent query that you executed. So simply click on it. So this will copy to in a new query window. So this is good uh, for your productivity also. So you can find your recent queries, no need to again retype it. And like one more features, like when we writing a alter proc, you can use any like a proc tables, functions, procedures. Like I'm writing alter proc, then this will display the different process names. Like I'm using that ad company and pressing a tab, then this will get all the definitions for that procedures. And one more features is document outline. So simply you can get this from here, document outlines. So this will display the current query for structures of that. This will display the current procedures like a begin and then insert commands. It's showing structures of the current procedure. So this will be easy for developer to identify the procedures structures and easily find any particular line. that you need to change it. And one more features for like document sessions, like when we using SSMS, and sometimes like your SQL server crashed it, so it's automatically save the uh, uh, recent your SQL queries, so you can easily get it after you opening your SSMS Studio. So simply click on this, and then you can get your recent typed SQL queries. And one more features like for finding any record, so simply select it and then click on find, and like it's currently selecting 0, so this will highlighted the written text here, like I'm writing like 18, then this will find the 18 in all the columns of that table. You can also format the documents by pressing a Control KD, or you can also choose this from here. It's SQL Complete, and then it's a format documents. Then you can choose it here, and you can choose your format document styles with this customize options. So this will provide the options for your custom files for formatting the SQL queries. This is a different code snippets for codes and like execution history settings. So this will provide all the options settings for that dbForge SQL Complete options. One more life-saving features for this SQL Complete is like when we writing delete, like we want to delete the records from any tables without where conditions, then this will display a warning for that, like I'm deleting the records from this customer table, I'm pressing F5, then this will display a warning message that you will delete all the records from that table. So it's why if you want to execute or don't execute. And one more features like for going to the end of the block, so you can simply press shift F12, so you will going the end of this block, like a begin end, like a try catch, so you can simply perform start and end of that block. And some more good features like you can choose your environments according to your tab class, so you can differentiate between like a development, production, and sandbox. So simply choose your color from here, so you can choose like a development, production, sandbox, test. So like I'm highlighting this as a production, so this query as a red mark. And one more things, you can also find your invalid object, so simply right click on that database, and here you can choose that find invalid objects. So you can simply find select the database name and then click on analyze button, so this will analyze all the invalid objects for that database. So like my in this table database I have this invalid procedure, so on the single click you can find your invalid objects also. So if you want to try the features for that SQL Complete, you can download it from here for to try the features of that. And if you want to purchase this SQL Complete, you can use my promo code for getting the 10% discounts on purchase. And then you can boost your productivity and development for the SQL Server. So that's it for today, and if you have any problems, any questions, and then you can write in comment box, I will reply you soon. So thanks for watching, and also more. And if you want to getting a latest updates, so click on a subscribe button, and for notifications also click on notification bell. So now we will meet in next video session.